Hello everyone, welcome yours in our YouTube channel BK Technical Point. So again we are come with a new video and today we are going to make a steering car. So without wasting your time, let's start how we can make a steering car. This car is also move left and right. Okay, so this is our all parts we are using into steering car like small c. Here I have 4 small c and 2 small L, 2 DC motors, spacer, Axel, screwdriver and spanner, big shaft, small bar, some nut and bolts, 30-60 gear, 20 gear and 4 wheels. So without wasting your time, let's start how we can make this steering car. First of all, we take 2 small C and join together with a nut. We make one more pair like this with these 2 small C. So now our both pairs are ready. You can see both are similar. Now we take a small L and fix it at there like this. Now the base is ready. Now I am going to using second small L. So this is used at there. Like this. Now this L is also fixed. So now I am using next a small bar at there like this. Now the small bar is also fixed and I am now using a rag gear. This is rag gear. Fix it on this small bar like this and tie the nut. Now the rag gear is fixed and I am going to use a motor, DC motor. add the small L. So I tied the nut and rest of the motor. Now the motor is also fixed. Now I put one spacer, one 20 gear, and one Axel lock. Now you can see all are set. We fix our motor, rack gear, 20 gear. Now I am going to using a big shaft in the front of this. I cross into this small C and one Axel lock. I am using 136 gear and cross into second small C. Now I am using another motor in front of this L and there like this and tight the nuts of this motor. Now I am using a spacer, put in the motor shaft, 136 gear and one Axel lock. Now in the front I am using two small bars like this, one wheel in the outside of this and using two Axel lock in the both of sides. Same add there. Now two wheels are left. I am using one at there and second at there. Now our car is ready and I am going to tell you the function of this car. We use two motors to give momentum of this car. One motor is give momentum to forward and reverse to this car, and second is used to right and left. So let's see how it will work. So let's see the working of this steering car. As I told you that we use two motors. One is give momentum for forward and reverse, and second is used for turn right and left. So it's work like a steering car. So we give a name it's to a steering car. It easily move forward, reverse and turn. You can see. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, you can subscribe us, and for watch this type of more videos, you see our channel, and there have a lot of this type of videos. If anyone does not understand what is this remote and what is this all equipments, you can watch my another video, which link I will give in the description of this video. So go and watch.